Hi guys, welcome to Know Math, and today we will discuss arithmetic series. And this lesson is intended for high school mathematics, especially for grade 10 students. My name is Sir Bench Antonio. And if you are not yet subscribed on my channel, please hit like and subscribe for more of my videos and for you to get notified once I uploaded my new videos. An expression denoting the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence is called arithmetic series. So meaning if there's an arithmetic sequence, we can get its sum using the arithmetic series. Say for example on the screen, we have 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. This is an arithmetic series of the given sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16 and so on. Take note, an arithmetic series is finite if its corresponding sequence is finite. Otherwise, it is infinite. Since we have two different types of arithmetic series, we will going to use two different formulas. The first formula is for the finite arithmetic series and the second formula is for the infinite arithmetic series. The first formula is S of n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by the given first term and the last term. And for the second formula is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a sub 1 or the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference d. Example 1. Find S sub 10 or the series of 10 terms if the first term is equal to 5 and the last term is equal to 68. So since S sub 10 is, or we need to find the S sub 10, meaning the n value is 10. We also have here the first term of 5 and the last term of 68. Therefore, we will use the first formula as the first term and the last term are given. So the thing that we need to do here is to substitute all of the given. So the n value is 10, first term is 5, and the last term is 68. So let us evaluate. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 plus 68 is 73. We just need to multiply 5 and 73 that we have the series of 10 terms, which is 365. That's it. Another example. Let us find the series of 22 terms if the first term is 5 and the common difference is negative 7. So there we have the S sub 22 as the value of n is 22. We also have the first term of 5. Since we do not have the last term but the common difference is given, we will use the second formula that if we're going to substitute each values, we have n of 22, we have the first term of 5, n is 22, and the common difference is negative 7. So there, we just need to evaluate the equation. So 22 divided by 2 is 11, 2 times 5 is 10, 22 minus 1 is 21, then multiplied by 7. Take note, we always need to follow the GEM-DAS rule. So we have to evaluate first what's inside the grouping symbol. So 21 times 7, that will give us negative 147. And now, we will add it to 10. So 10 plus negative 147 will give us negative 137. This time, we can now multiply it to 11. Then 11 times negative 137 will give us negative 1507. And that is the series of 22 terms. How about this kind of example? Find the sum of an arithmetic series 9, 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus negative 3 plus negative 7. So since that we are looking for the sum of the given series, we have 5 terms. Therefore, we will going to find S of 5. Then the value of n is 5. The first term is given, which is 9. Also, the last term is given, which is negative 7. The first and the last term are given. We will use the first formula. Substitute all of the values that we have. We have here n, which is 5, a sub 1, which is 9, and a sub n, or a sub 5, which is negative 7, which is the last term of the given series. So evaluate first. Since 5 divided by 2 will not give you an exact answer, leave the fraction as it is. Then, let us evaluate first what's inside the grouping symbol. 9 plus negative 7. And that will give us positive 2. So in this case, most of the students having the hard time operating fraction. So we have two ways on how we're going to solve this kind of problem. First, you can use divide first, or divide the denominator first and then multiply it to the numerator. Or you can multiply directly the whole number to the numerator and then divide it to the denominator. Either way will work. Okay, so let's say that we will going to divide 2 by the denominator 2. That will give us 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. Therefore, we have now the sum of the given arithmetic series, which is 5. Alright. Next example. Find S sub 15, or the series of 15 terms of an arithmetic series negative 15 plus negative 10 plus negative 5 and so on up to the 15th term. So since S of 15 is given, we have now the n value of 15. The first term is given, which is negative 15. Again, we do not have the last term, or a sub n, but we have the common difference of adding 5 on each terms. So that is very important. Observe what is your common difference if the last term is not given. So since that we do not have last term, we will use the second formula. S of n is equal to n divided by 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So again, the process, substitute all of the given values. N is 15. Here are the n values. A sub 1 is negative 15. And our common difference is 5. So notice again that 15 divided by 2 will not give you an exact value or exact number. Leave the fraction again as it is. And then evaluate what's inside the grouping symbols. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. And 15 minus 1 is 14. So evaluate first 14 times 5. Following the GEMDAS rule, 14 times 5 is 70. And then we can now add it to negative 30. So negative 30 plus 70 is positive 40. So again, there are two ways. You can divide or you can multiply first. So I will choose divide. 40 divided by 2 will give us 20. Then 20 multiplied by 15 is 300. And there we have here a series of 15 terms, which is 300. And I have this math challenge for you. Find the series of 12 terms of an arithmetic series 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus and so on. If you know the answer, guys, just comment down below. And if you are not yet subscribed on my channel, hit like and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you so much, guys.